Hi, I'm Alex from XPro. Today we're diving deep into the critical importance of manufacturing drawings and documentation. Why do these documents matter so much in modern mechanical engineering? Because they provide the essential details that ensure a project moves forward smoothly, from the first concept to the final assembly line. In our field, precision is not just a goal, it is the foundation. Every line, every dimension, and every note on a drawing carries weight. They are the primary bridge between the designer's intent and the manufacturer's capability, ensuring that what was imagined can actually be built. Manufacturing drawings, notes, tolerances, and materials are the language of hardware. They define exactly how a part should exist in the physical world, leaving no room for guesswork or ambiguity. This video breaks down these topics practically. Our goal is to clarify the entire decision-making process for you, minimizing the costly mistakes that happen when documentation is incomplete or misunderstood. When a project is well organized, the team knows exactly what to build, how to test it, what to improve, and what to avoid. This clarity is the key to managing resources effectively during the development cycle. This is particularly vital for physical products, where every decision impacts another. A choice in design dictates the material, which then determines the manufacturing process and the final business cost. A design choice influences material, which affects manufacturing, cost, and business strategy. It is a chain reaction that must be managed through precise and thorough documentation at every step. These choices also dictate assembly procedures, quality control metrics, and testing protocols. Ignoring any of these aspects can lead to major structural problems later in the process. Think about the projects this applies to. It's especially relevant for clients preparing designs for suppliers or manufacturers. Clear documentation is the only way to ensure your vision is realized correctly. This documentation is for those looking to enhance practicality and manufacturability. We take a rough idea and transform it into a repeatable, high-quality product that survives the real world. Even if you have a rough idea, understanding what information is missing is key. We help identify those technical gaps before they become expensive bottlenecks in your production timeline. A strong process instills confidence in clients and protects the engineering team by clarifying decisions, assumptions, risks, and deliverables. It is about transparency and technical rigor. This is the fundamental difference between guessing and engineering. We rely on documented evidence and engineering principles to drive the production process forward with certainty. Let's discuss critical dimensions. This involves identifying the specific dimensions that control the function, the fit, the safety, and the final inspection of the part. Many costly project issues arise when these critical dimensions aren't carefully considered. If a functional fit is off by even a few microns, the entire assembly might be compromised. Next, we look at tolerances. Understanding acceptable variation and where precision is strictly needed is essential. Not every part needs extreme precision, but you must know which ones do. Effective tolerance management helps prevent surprises during manufacturing. It allows us to balance the cost of precision with the necessity of performance, ensuring a balanced project budget. Material callouts are also crucial. Knowing the right material grades, thicknesses, and finishes can save significant costs and weight while ensuring structural integrity. Specifying the exact grade of aluminum or steel is vital for both the machinist and the end user. It dictates the strength, the weight, and the corrosion resistance of the final product. Surface finish is another important factor. The texture and coating of a product can greatly impact its performance, its aesthetics, and its durability in the field. Whether it is a friction-reducing coating or a specific decorative finish, these requirements must be clearly documented in the CAD package to ensure the supplier delivers exactly what is needed. Assembly documentation is vital too. This includes exploded views, bill of materials, and assembly orders, which help avoid confusion and errors during the build process. A complete bill of materials, or BOM, ensures that every fastener, seal, and component is accounted for before production starts, preventing delays and missing hardware issues. Inspection criteria ensure that parts are checked properly and meet acceptance standards. We define how to measure what we have designed to guarantee quality and consistency. Revision control is the backbone of technical collaboration. It prevents the confusion that arises when files or drawings change, ensuring everyone is working from the latest XPro data. Lastly, communication value is key. Effective documentation reduces assumptions and disputes, minimizing production risks and ensuring that the entire team is on the same page. Technical notes are where we define the hidden requirements of a part, such as deburring, heat treatment, and specialized surface preparation that cannot be captured by dimensions alone. Specifying heat treatment processes like case hardening or annealing is critical for achieving the necessary material properties. These details must be clearly called out in your documentation. Quality assurance starts with the drawing. By providing clear inspection benchmarks, you allow your manufacturing partners to verify that every technical requirement has been met with precision. Now, let's imagine a real project. A client approaches X-Pro with a product idea or prototype. Before we dive into production, we must understand the core goals and risks. We need to audit the existing design, looking for constraints and potential failure points. This upfront work is what saves the project from costly rework later down the line. We ask what the product is meant to do, who will use it, and what the next business decision is. This helps us protect the idea from avoidable mistakes that can derail a launch. This systematic approach helps us protect your idea from the technical pitfalls that often plague early-stage development, ensuring a smoother path to a practical reality. Common mistakes to avoid include moving too fast without a clear question or goal. Rushing often leads to skipping the vital documentation phase, which is a recipe for failure. Another major error is assuming software views represent reality. A CAD model is a mathematical ideal. It doesn't account for physical imperfections or environmental factors unless documented. Hiding uncertainties is also dangerous. We believe in surfacing risks early. Treating cost as an afterthought is another common mistake that can jeopardize the entire project. Failing to document decisions means losing the why behind the design. This makes it almost impossible to troubleshoot issues effectively when they appear during manufacturing. In summary, manufacturing drawings and documentation are about one thing: reducing risks before they become costly and irreversible in the production phase of your project. At X-Pro, we review designs, understand constraints, and choose the next steps based on engineering evidence, ensuring your product is ready for the challenges of the real world. If you have a product idea or a complex engineering challenge, X-Pro can help. We'll review your project, identify the core risks, and provide a path forward. We will prepare a clear, actionable engineering plan tailored specifically to your needs. Before spending on production, ensure your design is truly ready for the next step. Contact X-Pro and let's turn your idea into a practical, manufacturable reality. We are here to help you engineer success from the ground up, starting with great documentation. Engineering isn't just about the tools you use, but the documentation you maintain. Let us help you set the technical standard for your next mechanical project.